All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. This time it is a little different video. We're doing a Friday night action where I pick two amateurs, Jared and we got a little Colton there in the back. They're gonna bowl each other for a chance to bowl me for $100. So they don't have to wager anything. They just get the chance to hopefully beat me for $100, which my record on the channel says you guys have a good chance. That's the best part about it. So here's a match with Jared and Colton.
I just really want you to perform at your highest level. I hate when my opponent 210s.
Are you kidding me?
Oh no!
Dead aced it.
All right, that was a good spare. I predict a chop here.
I'm just on my game today. Not my spare game, but I'm on my game today.
It's not fair. I had to bowl against a left-hander. Conventional. We'll see. We're following some senior bowlers, and so the track is completely fried. Throwing a little bit bigger ball from left.
What ball are you throwing?
The new Zen Soul comes out tomorrow. Go get yours.
So it'll come out.
Shameless plug.
It'll come out on release day. I'm feeling pre-match.
Not the best.
Not the best.
Lanes suck. Old men made them long. No, there's 39 boards. I'm going to use them all, so I'm 490 at least one.
He's going
So
first.
I'm hesitant. You know, this ball looked good, but they said if you match your shirt to the ball, you strike. So we're going to go with it. We're going to see what happens. One shot.
That's a strange question.
Oh, baby. Oh! It's a shirt.
Silent killer.
Can the Fluff Daddy get the 10 out? Oh, he can.
You, Colton.
I can't reach that high. It's not going to happen. Got a hook.
I hate when I'm 210. I hate that.
Low-key hoping the 8 was
I
there.
hate 210ing. I hate when my opponent 210s.
You love it.
I just really want you to perform at your highest level.
It doesn't get higher than 5'3".
He gave himself an extra inches, guys.
Sure didn't work out. Sure didn't work. They said if you match your shirt to the ball, you strike.
Pretty good ball there.
Early. Sure didn't work.
Good ball change.
Bonus pearl, shiny.
Oh, don't yourself.
So while they're bowling their match, I thought this was a perfect opportunity to let you guys know about our 60K subscriber giveaway. Right now, we're closing in on that number right here. I need you to help me change this number to a number that looks like this number right up here. And subscribe to the channel, and you can click that link down below in the description to enter for that 60K subscriber giveaway where we're going to give away a bowling ball as well as a piece of North Rock lanes that looks like this. So you have to be a subscriber and to click that link down below to get automatically entered. So, and back to bowling.
Oh, never mind. The left. I accidentally hit it harder though. Isn't it so fun? Are you
I'm not
staying
missing.
at them
Yeah,
right
I
now
was
until?
done. I was done.
Nice.
So essentially by the time we go to
Oh, push a mile. Huh?
Jared tagging in here. That was a shot by Colton
Automatic make.
again.
Dead aced it.
All right, that was a good spare though. I'll give him that one. Good spare.
Just give me a chance. Are you kidding me?
Oh no. Oh my God. Can you believe that?
85-year-old seniors hit the ball harder
Can you
than that.
believe that? Ah, dang.
You should ask Colton who out-averages him by 20 in every building in Wichita.
I'm fucking toast.
Man, I hate that. how much this mic is picking up. I've only cussed once. All right, nice ball.
I'll be at the bar while Jared bowls Packy.
I think their hours are 3 to 10 in the summer. Assuming they're on summer hours.
10 pin?
Oh God.
He had a lot of practice in league.
Yeah, like I said, I've shot about 40 tonight, so. I had a couple bad breaks.
How much you got?
Well, max scores are 220 to 4 to 258 right now. So, 3 frames to go.
Wow, that's so good. He did everything wrong in that shot and it still struck, so I know it's just
I
good.
did one thing right. Pretty rare, but it happens.
Where's the lube if you're gonna do that?
Man, that is unfortunate.
Where's the lube?
Man. 9 pinning?
No, he said if
Oh, the lube.
lube.
Can we give my friend Colton here a plug? If you're looking to get big or skinny, I guess, he's the man.
Should have used more real estate.
You think Packy got that figure all by
Where can they
himself?
find you?
Just kidding.
ApexPersonalTraining.com.
We never fell off any shots because our legs were so strong.
Fall off the shot now.
I was gonna plan it, but I felt that was not very funny, so I didn't.
Mathematically over, Jared.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
thank you. That means a lot coming from a professional bowler like yourself.
Look at his eyes.
He's crazy. Pretty good ball. Yo, what song are you gonna send this week?
So the goal here is to save myself $100 by whooping this chum over here. Ex-college teammate, current Wichita house killer. How many Wichita All-Star teams have you made?
4,
You don't know because it's too many. How many have I made?
5.
How many have I made?
I don't know.
0. I've never made the All-Star team.
In Packy's defense,
There is no
everyone,
defense.
he
I
is-
haven't made the All-Star team.
He misses half the league season.
So how many 300s and 800s do you shoot here?
I hate this.
A lot. It's a lot.
Enough.
I'm just trying to mentally prepare myself for when I lose this match like I always do. So pray for me here. Here we go, 1v1, pro versus amateur. He's trying to steal my money. I'm trying
I'm
to
a
give
pro. What do they know?
it up. USBC qualifies him as an amateur.
I'm a professional. Just ask me.
I would qualify you as a pro, that's for damn
I'm a
sure.
pro.
Jared's starting up the injury. He says his elbow's locked.
My left one.
The only thing I'm locked is in the pocket.
I just need a foot to kick your ass. Man, that would have been a good time for one of your famous 9 pins.
Come on! That would have been the best time for a 9 pin. It's first frame, least important.
They're all important, Packy.
What is the least important frame? Comment down below what you guys think the least important frame of a game is, and don't give me some nonsense answer saying, they're all important.
They're all
Yeah.
important.
They're all important. Yeah, they're all important, but which one's the least important?
Can you shoot 300 if you miss the first one?
You can't shoot 300 if you miss in any of them, because they're all important.
They're all important.
Okay, Jared, now let me ask you which frame's the least important.
This one was very important for me to build some momentum early. And now I can't shoot 300, which automatically...
That's a shame. There was like a $1,000 300 bonus.
Yeah,
What a bummer.
Oh, geez.
What a
Okay,
bummer.
damn. Yeah, they didn't tell me about that. Wrong f***ing way, you Oh, God. That was like 4 left. This is why I'm not a professional.
I thought you were a house shot pro. We just had this discussion.
This isn't house shot anymore. This is World US Open now.
Your spare game's on point, though.
Oh, thank God.
game's on
Spares
point.
win one-game matches all the time. One house shot. Roll day. Isn't it like a vacation though? It's so funny. Right?
It's game time. This might be my first win on the channel.
Give him the old up the back, flat 7. Oh, he got around that one like extra. Oh, Jesus. I want to remind all of the viewers who was up 10 feet deep in his ass telling him to quit rolling it so much. And now he's out here rotating it and he's striking.
He told me to flat 10, so I just made sure I gave it the 90 degrees of rotation. Really good shot.
Thank you.
I hope you lose, and then we can just have you guys on weekly, and I'll just up the dollar amount every week.
Oh, jeez. I could give him the old house shot special here.
Why aren't you giving him the house shot special?
Huh?
Pressure applied.
Come on, pressure applied.
Pressure applied.
Kind of my favorite thing to say. A little left. The nice thing is, Packy, when he shoots these spares with his plastic, I don't know if that's what he's gonna do, but it's almost a backup ball, and so he leaves these spares open for chop more than most people do. I predict a chop here. Chop in this one. See, look at that backup ball.
Chopped it.
No, that's not the chop I was going for, but I'm glad it happened. I predict a chop here. Viewers at home, Packy did that. I think he did that on purpose. I'm not 100% sure, but if you've got a left side spare as a right-hander or a right side spare as a left-hander, hook at it. Don't ever throw it straight. Don't throw it straight. Don't throw it straight. Hook at it. Hook at it.
It's good practice to throw them straight, because on sport shots, if you hook at them.
No, if you're trying to score, you hook at it. I'm
That's
talking
the one.
house shot only.
That was the one where I rolled it. That's the one you wanted to flat 7. It rolls out too heavy.
Money. Oh.
Spares. Spares don't matter in a one game
Spares
match.
don't matter in a one-game match.
Until you lose 260 to 260 because you missed a spare. Kevin
what a
Williams,
game.
wherever you're at. Team Spares.
Oh God. I knew it. Fast 8,
This is
really?
the same spare that I left.
I'm not, Packy, I'm not gonna throw it straight.
I want you to hook at it.
I'm gonna hook at it. I'll hook at it with this ball that I haven't even used yet. Please miss it.
That was close.
Every single one of them is mine, actually. At all.
That's so much better.
Nice,
So much
nice.
better. I need the rest of them. I'm
Nice
come to the
shot.
point where if I can't make a spare, I better strike every frame.
I think you should miss this one into the gray.
Yeah?
Into the gray.
Yeah, I don't know if it's possible to get her on this.
Yeah, I don't remember. I've seen a washout a time or two, though. That was pretty good. Yeah, that was dead ace, dead ace, dead ace. I'll give you that one. 4.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. You want a picture? Yeah, of course. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
I don't know what I almost did. It was embarrassing, just about, though. They were in awe of me.
They were staring at Jared. Hey, do you know how far a pin has to lean for it to fall over?
And 4 inches.
7.5 degrees.
Oh, jeez.
8 degrees, 7.5.
It's close. I need him to miss here. It's a little right. God,
Flushing him up today.
come on.
I'm just on my game today. Not my spare game, but I'm on my game today. Thanks. Good shot, Packy.
He's on
Thanks.
A game, just not the spare one. That doesn't matter though. Like I said earlier, You just strike your ass off, it doesn't matter.
Kevin Williams, I'm still on Team Spares.
I say that. I shoot spares very well. Come on, roll one, roll one! No!
Oh!
No!
God,
no,
that's good.
No!
Sometimes you just know.
A perfect
Good shot,
seventh
Packy.
in.
Thanks, Jared.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh my, what is that? What was that?
I knew I should have played him straight.
You should have given him the house shot
What
special.
am I? What is my game?
You're trying to be a good bowler, and you just need to be Jared Romick. You got to be the.
It's because
the
I
high hard one.
3-6-10 one time.
Boo! You just too good. Bing, bing.
Just think about. Let's see. Let's do a little math here. 24. That puts us at 200 plus 14. That's 214. That's a 218. I'm gonna force you to get like 6 pins here. Come on.
That's not gonna get me. Editing's fun. Editing's real fun.
I don't give a about his editing. Kabang!
And that is why you shoot him straight. That's why you shoot him straight.
Colton.
Just my victory lap on the channel.
Just my victory lap. I thought I was gonna win too. I think this just goes to show that it's not fair. I had to bowl against a left-hander.
What?
That's
You bowled
not
against
fair.
a right-hander. What do you mean?
Well, get your ball out, honey.
That's the one you wanted, like 6 frames
I
ago.
wanted that many times
You
over.
wanted that like 8 times. This one's for you, Jared.
Yeah, great, thanks.
This one's for
I'm
you.
gonna ditch this one.
Spares. Let's just give a shout out to the 2 amateurs running it, and comment down below. So I won obviously 250 to 210, but comment down below and let us know if you guys want to see these 2 guys on next week challenging me for $200, or if you guys want to see some new superstars. What do you guys think?
I want to.
We're the biggest superstars in this city, let's be real.
Well, kind of figuratively, I am. I'm really not that big, but
Yeah, size-wise, he's not the biggest.
But
That's probably me.
thank you guys for sticking around. I appreciate you guys watching. As always, this is Packy in the house, and I'll catch you guys next time on the next challenge video. Peace.
It's not gonna last forever. But I can never ask for better. I really couldn't ask for better, yeah. I said the party won't last forever. Life is short.